What's changed, Arthur?
Well, I'll tell you what's changed. I'm not alone anymore.
Right now, I'm just trying to fit in. It's kind of been my motto ever since I left my old school.
Julia, you did not leave your old school. You were expelled for being cruel to another boy. I'm sure your father has told you stories about when I was a young girl.
He says you don't really like to talk about it.
I don't. But now, I think, for your sake, I must. You forget many things in life, but you never forget kindness.
Before I open this suitcase, this is just some needs to stay in this room type shit.
Wait, Forbes, what is that?
You just want to take these electrodes and place them on your temples like so.